Welcome to Pic2plot, which is a complete interface developed on the AML workspace using Chainlet as the U for UI and MCP protocol for tool calling. So we use different models based on the complexity of the tasks that are being performed, and everything, the history of the chat is being stored in the Azure blob, so that in future, based on the responses it generated, we can fine tune the prompt and remodel our model. So coming to the assistant, how does it work? So let's start with quickly with the first use case and select the images. And can you convert my images to floor plan? Let's see, how does it convert? So it does not take too much time to get the result. Here we go. And let's try the second use case. Can you give me a 3-bed 2-bath floor plan? Which is the second use case, like the text to floor plan generation using a RAG system, which is going to find the cosine similarity. Here we go. We have the top 3 matches from the embedding stored in the Azure blob storage. And let's go to the third one. Can you give me a real estate description of my house images? So here we can upload the images of house, whereas, okay, let's upload 6 images for faster processing. Okay, yeah, here we go. For this, it's gonna give you, for the websites like Zello, it is useful to generate responses like this. Our major goal was focusing on the latency. So let's go with our fourth use case. Can you give some healthcare tips on our house image? So let's go to the images. Okay, like bedroom. Okay, let's go to the bedroom image and upload, and let's go. Let's see how does it give. And it analyzes the image and gives us what is. We can see that the room has the natural light and everything. It's beneficial. It gives some suggestions. The room color is somewhat muted, you can choose another color. So in this way it does give you suggestions. When I think we can choose another picture, probably something like okay, let's go with this one. Okay, I think it has images like windows. Let's go with one. This doesn't have any windows. Can you suggest me some health tips on this bedroom? Okay, let's see how does it give us. So it's very fast, so let's see. So increase the natural light. We see that the image does not have windows. This is how the application works. So this is the AI agent hackathon. It's not only the coding learning things, but also it's collaboration between people. So we are from 4 different time zones, and we all met and made this project possible. And thank you to Microsoft for giving us this wonderful opportunity.